Alright, next project. Operation Fanimation.
That's clever. You should patent that.
Operation Fanimation has run into a bit of a snag with ye old flywheel.
Yeah. The flywheel appeared to be warped, but I think it was just not straight on the shaft, which I didn't know could happen, but apparently can. And just a matter of lining it up properly.
So we have here what most of you will recognize as an Islander, of course. Tell us about this one, Dan.
Well, I picked this up at a thrift store. The blades are in pretty rough shape, but hopefully they'll be good enough to get us through at least one video of it. It's an older one from the 90s. It's got a cast canopy here. There's a cast? Sure feels like that. Yeah, cast canopy there. And, yep, see now the flywheel's straight. It's a little bit of bearing noise. And all it takes is just a little bit to loosen up what little grease is left in there. And then they, and here if it's possibly the bottom bearing. Yeah, I think it is or top bearing rather. You filming?
I am.
Okay, well this is a 90s Islander. I think we covered that in previous footage. I'm putting the J-hook mount on it so that we can test it up here at the shop. And been looking forward to this because the other Islanders I have a remote receiver in them. So careful there.
Knock that one over again.
Yep.
I'll fix
Pretty
that.
soon we'll run out of lights. I guess before I get too involved, let's make sure that it works.
Oh, looks like we're in reverse.
Yep, we've been in reverse for a lot of these.
Still a bit of bearing noise.
Yeah. It's different than it was before, though. That's
work that WD-40.
Yeah.
There.
Something's rattling, actually. I don't think we'll notice any of it with blades on.
Alright. Pause for blades.
Hey guys, I'm just putting the blades on this Islander here. You can see the blades are in pretty rough shape, but hopefully they'll be good enough to get us through this video. We're going to try it with both 5 and with 4. The Islanders I filmed previously that have the smaller blades, I like those better with 5, but I'm guessing that based on how huge these blades are, I'll probably like it better with 4. I really want an early 3-bladed Islander. The very first Islanders and Palisades had 3 blades per motor, as opposed to 4 or 5. And definitely a fan on my bucket list, if you will. So I always try to put blades on offset when I'm doing a flywheel, just to put a little bit less stress on the flywheel. In some cases it definitely helps. In this case I have no idea if it makes a difference or not, but it certainly can't hurt. And we've already discussed how terribly shaped these blades are in. So I'm going to make every possible. This one's not bad. That one appears to be okay.
Good.
The next one appears to be the worst one yet. So.
Oh yeah. Goodness gracious.
Yeah. Well, I have a friend that bought Matt Ray. Do you know him?
Nope.
He bought a set of blades from Fanimation to replace some, and he said they charged him like $30 or something, so that's nothing, given what these fans cost new. I will happily pay that for a new set of blades, but I will get the kind that I like instead of these. The earliest Islanders, you could adjust the pitch on. So I was hoping that's what this was, but does not appear to be the case. It's very difficult to maneuver when you're trying hard not to make an already rough blade worse. Yeah, I don't like this style of blade at all. So I guess that's what I get. Oh, it's got the mounting bracket in the box. Didn't know that it had the mounting bracket. So I guess that's why the blades are damaged, because they knew ahead of time that I wouldn't like them. I'd be definitely would be more upset if it had the blades that I like and they were damaged. So. We still filming?
We are.
Okay. Okay. Got that in
Too
place.
bad you didn't put your canopy up there.
Nope, because there's nothing to screw it to. I just brought it up so I can just hold it in front of the camera and like this is what the canopy looks like.
Okay, well,
But
in that case,
yeah.
voila.
Show the millions of Andy fans as well, just in case they don't happen to see my channel.
Okay.
Okay. Hook up the 4-speed. Hook up this one.
And
Turn on
away
the
we go.
ammeter. Oh, we're going already. Wasn't expecting that. .47. 0.23. So I'm guessing that was medium that we were seeing. I'll just put it on high just for the sake of it, since we got little bits of pollen flying everywhere.
Yes.
I'm gonna go get mine. My camera is what I was referring to.
Uh-huh. Yeah, those are rough.
This is a different Islander than the ones that I filmed before. I found this one at a thrift store over the weekend. And as you can see, the blades are in really rough shape, which is okay by me because I do not like this style of blade at all. I much prefer the blades that are a little bit smaller, and so I will be ordering a set for this sooner or later. But in the meantime, I thought we'd give this set of blades, at the very least, one good last run in a video. You know what I am going to do, Andy? Andy's here filming from another angle, by the way. I'm going to turn this blender fan off because I think with these blades being as wide as they are, that could be a factor. So, we got Fanimation here. By the way, it's from the 90s. I was told that based on the canopy, which is here. It's a very cool canopy. Fanimation has always had cool canopies. They win the ball socket canopy award. So, we got the amp meter, fast wheel control, which we'll mess with a little later. Let's give it a shot. High, medium, low. Goes faster than I expected for low. It's drawing 0.23 though, which is a typical low speed current draw for a stack motor fan. Okay. Medium. 0.47. Start to hearing the blade disintegrate as it spins. I'm getting a little bit of air movement from it though. You don't expect a whole lot from these oversized blade fans, but high. 0.66, which is about the same. My other Islanders were 0.67, I think, 0.66, so that's right about on point. Okay. Little air movement from it, but really not much that I can notice. Oh, if you step back, there's more. I'm going to turn all of the heaters off as well for long enough to check the airflow. Yeah, if you stand about here, you get a pretty good breeze from it, actually. I'm surprised. Directly under it, you get nothing. And go back here. Turn the heater off. Turn the other blender fan off. It looks a lot cooler from this angle, actually. From a side angle, I like it a lot better from this angle. That's actually not that bad. I still like the other blades better. But I don't get anything at all from it back here. We're going to try it again as a 4-blade fan after we go through the stages as a 5. So, medium low off. Does not take very long to spin down.
Much drag from those blades.
Yeah. Bearings were a little noisy when we started. Gave it a little shot of magic elixir, medium low. Wait, high, medium, low. That's what I meant. 0.23 again. Medium. 0.47. So yeah, it looks like we're the same in forward and reverse. Hi. Huh, it's moving the blender fan. I was not expecting that. I've never had any fan move the blender fan that I can recall testing. Even like the really powerful industrials, I think it has to do with the pattern of airflow more than the amount of airflow.
They also don't reverse the industrials.
That's true. That's a good point. I forgot for a second that this was in reverse, so. Oh, that's funny. Okay. The quick spin down. Reversing it. Okay. Let's use the Fastco 4-speed control. Let's turn it all the way to low. 0.23, so low should really be about the same. Medium low. 0.41. Medium high. 0.54. And high. We know what high is, so we'll let it stop. Hey Andy, I gotta switch controls. Are you in a position to take over my filming?
One moment.
Okay. He's gotta get some glamour shots there.
Yes.
How come the only photography names I can think of are like still photography, glamour shots, Olin Mills? I was gonna make a whole bunch of jokes, but none of them are video. There's I don't know. This is Scorsese, Alfred Hitchcock. I don't know. I got
Cecil
nothing.
B. DeMille.
That's a type of seasoning, possibly.